See, initially, when we got alerted when some tourists told some of our volunteers, when they interacted them at the bus stand, that we had gone to that tourism counter, it was closed. We went all the way there. And that alerted us. So we came, we saw. That was nearly 2.5, 3 years ago. And when we came and saw that, this thing was totally shut, the board was in a shabby condition. And worse still, at the entrance of the bus stand, there was a sticker saying very clearly, tourism information counter, go to shop number 5. So people were taking all the trouble after seeing that and coming here and then getting disappointed. So 2 years ago, we wrote a formal representation to the tourism department saying that, this is the fact of the matter. Please take steps to open it. So which we got a reply from their grievance redressal officer saying, no, this is closed for renovation. So, and when we see renovation, we can understand renovation is to be done. But what was worst part, at the side they put one small little piece of paper saying if you want tourism information, you phone on this landline. Now, you see, in a digital age, where the department has got a website, it's got email ID, it is on Instagram, etc., you are shocked that you put a landline. So there is a total disconnect in what do we want to achieve in terms of Goa as a tourist destination. So we still kept on writing. And 2 years passed, no renovation. So again this year we brought it to the notice of the new director, Mr. Kedar Naik, who was, proactive enough to say, I was not aware that such a project is, lying there. And I will look into it. So just few days back when I came, I was pleased to see that some work has started. At least the board, if nothing else, makes you feel good about it. And just today only I have spoken to him, and he told me that we do understand the importance of it, and we will try to open it by 15th of August. Now, why I think this is an important point. See, this bus stand is one of the biggest bus stands in the state of Goa. And being the capital city, first impressions are lasting impressions. So I would think that, Goa tourism should take the lead and correct what is wrong. Because right now, you see a lot of wrong things are going. For example, even you see today about drowning. How many wrong messages are going? You can have a good time in a quarry, you can go here, you can go there, and the administration has to go in denial that please don't go there, please don't go. Here, if you have something in physical presence, plus handing out brochures, etc., it will also, set a trend, and we are hopeful that this trend will automatically correct itself on World Tourism Day, 27 September. Because the point I want to make here is that an information counter is not just to give out information. It is also for people to write their suggestions, maybe their complaints, but more important, their aspirations. What do we look forward for a destination like Goa? Government of Goa Tourism Department may want to do many things and may have many plans. But the tourists, local tourists, domestic tourists particularly, a counter like this where, you can offer him a glass of water to drink, have a chair to sit down, not to just have a counter as of, putting out information. So even the backpacker foreign tourists can sit down there and, interact, maybe have a small little, browsing kind of system there and run some small video clips, etc. about Goa, different parts of Goa. Now, if they can see this as a comprehensive information center, I think it would be very helpful. And more importantly, because still there is a problem there. If you go outside now, you will see a huge board which has a map of Goa put by Government of India Tourism Office. And they show their office at a building near Penjim Church. Now, this office has been closed down for the last 4 or 5 years now. Its office is housed in Paryatan Bhavan. But still that board is there, and somebody climbed up and wrote there again, shop number 5. So I think that, course correction is the need of the hour, and I feel this opening will be a good beginning.